Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Here I am with a quick grocery haul. I will show you the receipts at the end of the video. I had about €24 in discounts by the end of the grocery shop. So this in total came to about €105 I think, but I will confirm that in the end. The receipt is on the phone so I can't see it at the moment. But here we go. Let's start over here. So I have some kitchen roll, 9 I think toilet roll, some of these little pancakes, 12 free range eggs, some tissues. There's 3 Fairy non-bio there. There was an offer of 3 for 30 of those, so I took them. Granny Smith apples, a net of lemons, a net of onions, some plums, red onions, baby potatoes, fine beans, 16 pork sausages, mushrooms, an orange squash in there that you dilute. We had friends visiting recently from Austria and they are camping around Ireland at the moment. And they had bought one of these in a supermarket and they were drinking it without diluting it. They didn't realise that you had to dilute it, and I think they ended up dumping it because they didn't like the taste of it. But they didn't realise at the time that you dilute it. So that was funny. Here we have some soda water, a bag of baby leaf salad, apple juice, 3 litres of milk, 12 Madeira Queen cakes, some burger buns, a loaf of bread, a box of mandarins, some natural yogurt, £2 of Irish creamery butter, coleslaw, fresh cream. We're down to some cheese here, bananas, peppers. The cod was a third off today and we're having cod and potatoes today. So this was, what is it, 0.748 kilogram for €12.71. So it was a third off there today. We have a packet of rashers. That's a big pack, 400 grams for €4. And I think that's it. So as I said, it came to just over €100 for this. And that's about it. So if you think this is good value after you have a quick look at the receipts at the end, give me a thumbs up in the comments. And if you think that you have better value where you are, where you do your shopping, give me a thumbs down and let me know where you shop. That would be a bit of fun. Thank you all for watching. God bless you all. Talk to you soon. Bye.